What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy J Ray Shoots, the driver of Black Soul M4, and for today's video we are heading to San Jose, California, since we will be filming the Behind the Build content series episode 3 drift car. All right, it's a Nissan and I can't wait to show you guys what it is, so make sure to stay tuned. So I literally just got here at Chase CBS. This used to be my spot back in the day, man. But yeah, it's just in San Jose. It seems like a lot of cars are going on right here. We got a Miata, we got a Mustang, we got a G, and we got an Evo, and we got an Accord in the corner, and we got a few other cars. We got an SUK on the other side too. That is the car we will be filming today, guys. Damn. Say what's up to the vlog, man.
Hello.
Hey, let's go, man. Hi, Ate. How are you?
I'm good.
Let's say hi to the vlog. Welcome back to another video. This is episode 3 of Behind the Build content series, and if you guys haven't watched episode 2, make sure to watch it. It's going to be right here. But for today's episode, we have a 1990 240Sx S13 owned by a good friend of mine, also a family, since I'm best friends with your brother. This is Priscilla, by the way. Ate, say hi.
Hello.
All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. You guys, tell us about your boat. Okay.
This is my drift car.
Yeah.
I've had it for about 10 years now. Motor's still pretty stock, other than headers. But you know, I built the suspension and steering. It's set up for drifting. Still have the stock KA.
Stock KA. Wow. And original motors. How many miles do you have in there, if you don't mind me asking?
Oh, over 200K.
200,000
But it
miles.
was rebuilt. It was rebuilt.
There you
Still
go.
going strong. So I run 15s on my car because I like the Shakotan and Durisha look. So in the front, these are Panasports. They're 15x9, -4.
Wow.
The rear, those are actually my drift spares that are on right now. But those are SSR reverse mesh. I usually run a pair of Watanabes in the back.
Yeah, so what suspension do you have?
I'm running BC coilovers.
Ooh, BCs. Love them.
Yeah, I've had them for years, basically ever since I've owned the car.
Okay.
They're one of the first things I put on the car. They're still going strong. Shout out to BC.
Yes, sir. Okay, so right on. So you got BC coilovers, and if you don't mind me asking, or maybe some of these guys might be interested in getting BCs as well for their S13s. Who knows, right? How's the ride comfort in that one?
They've always been pretty good to me. I used to daily this car. I dailied it for about 5 years.
Wow.
So dailying and drifting, pretty nice.
You got some really interesting kits right here. So tell us about your kit, Ate.
The front end, I'm running a Type X bumper. The sides are Chuki. And the rear valances are just some reps, but very good reps. Yeah, I've got some old school rides up in there.
And what I do notice that your steering wheel is also, is that a quick release? Or?
Oh yeah, I have a quick release, a Momo steering wheel.
Momo steering wheel. You can't go wrong with Momos, guys. Yeah, this car is literally a straight drift car, you guys. I got a few questions for you, Ate, okay? First things first, how did you get into cars?
So I think it's from one of my aunts. She used to babysit me when I was younger. And she was kind of into cars because her friends were into cars.
Okay.
She used to have a Integra, and I mean, she just did like little things to it. Like she put fog lights, she lowered it, HIDs. But I was a little kid, and I thought it was so cool. And I was like, when I get older, I'm gonna do stuff to my car too.
Now, my question is, why did you choose drifting?
So yeah, Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift. Saw that movie when I was a kid. Even though the movie was called Tokyo Drift, for some reason I didn't know the motorsport was called drifting. I used to think it was just stunt driving. Right. So
yeah, it's true. Yeah.
I used to say I wanted to be a stunt driver, and it wasn't until I got older that I learned it was called drifting.
Motorsport is a sport, yeah.
And then one of my friends, back when I was 19, asked if I wanted to go to a drift event with him. This was even before I had the 240.
Right.
And then seeing it in person, I just fell in love and I got obsessed. And I was like, okay, this is what I want to do.
I see. But my last question for you, Ate. What is your favorite part of this build?
Ooh. Let's see. I think for me it would be the wheels. Like I said, I run 15s, and not too many cars run 15s. A lot of my friends always roast me because I I stay 15s.
Yeah.
I guess that's just my style.
Yeah, 15 style. The audience who might be wanting to like getting into drifting, do you have any advices or tips? Like what car to get? I mean, obviously it's a preference, but do you have anything to say about it?
You know, have fun with it. Take your time. You know, find the right people. Yeah, and you could really learn a lot from, you know, having the right group with you. How I started drifting, like I had friends who were already experienced with drifting, and they went to my first drift event with me, and they're giving me pointers. So it's always nice to have like a nice little community. Yeah, that's true. I appreciate it for my boy Joey. Yo, thanks man. I appreciate it for you know, for holding the camera. We're gonna be doing that Subi pretty soon, so make sure to stay tuned on that one. We're done. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.